Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 337, problem 2. A limo driver charges an initial fee of $20 and $5 for every mile traveled. If the number of miles is M and the total cost is C, which of the following represents the relationship between C and M? Now, a normal notation of this kind of relationship would have C all by itself, C being the result of calculating the other things. You will see examples in either practice material for this test or for other tests occasionally where they move things around just to confuse you and give you the correct formula in an inconvenient notation and other notations that look better that in fact give you the wrong formula. In this case, it's actually they do give you the correct notation and the correct formula. So the first thing, I told you too much. The first thing you should look for is the C on the left all by itself as the result of calculating the other two things together. So letter A and letter C, these have M by itself. Without further looking at this, your instinct should be, or your intuition should be, that that's probably wrong. Again, I've mentioned there are cases on some tests where that could be right, but not this time. Okay. So what is wrong with each of these? Yeah, the first one shows the flat cost of 20 that you have to pay up front, and then that gets reduced, okay, by the total 5 times the total cost to give you the number of miles. I don't think that actually works. I haven't tried it. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Second one, total cost is the flat rate of 20 multiplied by the number of miles plus 5 not multiplied by anything. So that, again, like in the previous problem, some of the wrong answers that we had, the flat rate and the price per mile seem to be reversed from each other in terms of what gets multiplied by the number of miles. Okay. This one again, I've already mentioned you've got M there. That's bad. Okay. This is the flat rate of 20. Looks good, but then the number of miles is multiplied by the total cost to give you the total cost is multiplied by the 5-mile increment to give you the number of miles. Again, it's similar to this one. It's just maybe, is it not as bad? Yeah, it's just as bad. It looks better because of the plus though, but it's on the same order of accounting error at the end of the process. Don't do it. Down here, you have the total cost, okay, where you have the flat rate of 20, and then you have the number of miles multiplied by $5 per mile to give you the total cost. So the correct answer is D, and I hope I've explained these wrong answers well enough. You can learn a lot about the right answer by looking at the wrong answers during practice time. Don't do it during the simulation. And try not to do it on the test unless it actually helps you pick the correct answer. But studying the wrong answers can alert you to things that you might do wrong in case you happen to do them wrong on a similar problem. Okay? Thanks.